Log into Relimetrics website. Sign up if you have not already done so. Download the client app and server app for all-in-one machine installation. Click and run client app and server app installers. Go to the desktop. Make sure to have installed Docker Desktop on WSL2. Initiate the server app installation by clicking the starter. Follow the directions in the console. Choose which components, or all, to install from the menu. For computing hardware without GPU, choose CPU-only installation option. In case of slow internet connections, sequential installation option is recommended. Once the installation is complete, press any key to close the console window. Click on ReliUI to log into ReliUI. Copy your token number and email it to license@relimetrics.com to receive a 14-day trial or paid license. When you receive your license key, enter it in the text area. For the first login, use the username and password provided to you along with your license key. Take full control. Own your data. Own your IP. Own your AI with ReliVision. Download for free today.